For natural recipe to prevent hair loss. 50 grams of arugula oil plus 50 grams of aloe vera oil plus 50 grams of castor oil plus 50 grams of olive oil plus 50 grams of sesame oil. Mix these ingredients together and then put them in an airtight bottle. We take a little of the mixture and apply it to the scalp only after each bath and massage it for 5 minutes. We dry the hair well and then paint it with the mixture. We note that we should not repeat washing the hair more than twice a week, especially if the hair loss is high. Cactus oil. Massage your scalp daily with aloe vera oil or aloe vera cream to prevent hair loss and treat dandruff. Coconut milk and lemon juice. Mix 5 tablespoons of coconut milk with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix the mixture well and use it as a scalp lotion once a day for a week. The garlic. Take a number of garlic cloves and squeeze them. Then use the resulting juice to paint the scalp in the evening to stimulate hair growth in weak areas. Hibiscus solution. Boil an amount of hibiscus plant in water and use the resulting solution to massage the scalp. This mixture can also be used to treat eyebrow hair loss, and this treatment is used twice daily for at least 21 days.